Okay, so you've created your content, you've got your modules, you've got assignments, pages, all of that good stuff, but how are the students going to see it? There's a few things that we need to do. We need to publish the course because it's not published when it comes in, or if you create your own sandbox, or when the classes auto-populate, they are not published. You'll have to publish them. Then we have to publish our modules, and then we have to also publish all of our pages and everything. So I'm going to walk you through this process. So the first thing that you want to do is you go into your course, and on the home page, you will see course status up here. To publish it, we just want to click on the publish, and now it's published. So the course card, if the kid is in the class, it's going to show up on their course card, and it's always green here. So that's the first thing, is to publish the course. And we've talked about in the modules before that the little green check mark means it's published. This little 0 with a line through it means it is not published. So if I unpublished this module, and now I'm saying, oops, I said published, sorry. I want to unpublish. And notice all of these became unpublished as well. So if I went to Student View because I thought this was ready to go, let me make sure, let me unpublish these other modules that are in here. So now if I thought, okay, I'm going to see, again, go to Student View to verify that it works. So first thing, there's no modules for this course yet. So I need to leave Student View. And I need to now go and I need to publish my module. Now, I could just say I just want to publish just the module, but nothing in it. So now if I went to Student View, I would now see this, but there's nothing underneath it because nothing else is published. So again, I'm going to go back out. And let's say I'm ready for this and this and this one and this one. Well, we'll just leave these do not publish ones undone and start with, I want that one, because all of these, they say do not publish because it's teacher information. So we'll start here, and then we'll do this one. That's just a header, but we've got all these different activities here. So now when I go to Student View, I can now see this social studies unit. And here's staging the compelling question. So here is some stuff that's in here, and some videos. And this is actually set up as a discussion. And since this is here and they've put a video in there, I want to point something out. Students will want to start typing in here to put their discussion question. We need to model that that's not it. That's for search. You need to hit reply. Then you get the rich content editor, you can do it, and then we can do post reply. And now as a test student, it shows up down here. So again, remember, I'm going to reset so that doesn't sit in there. And I'm going to leave Student View. And so I've had to publish the course. That's the first thing, because if course isn't published, doesn't make any difference if all of this other stuff is published. They're not going to see the course available to them in there. Once I get my content, I've got to make sure that my module is published, and then my individual contents are published. I will tell you that once you start grading things, you can't unpublish these individual things, but you can unpublish the module. So hopefully that's pretty straightforward. Again, this is just really basic.